Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl Fun Size here, and I'm back with another creation. Today's creation is all about button making. So if you're new to my page, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And to Team FS, let's rock because y'all know I'm rolling.
I got it, and you gon' respect it. Ain't nothing gon' stop me from making it happen. So baby, if they ask it, tell them.
And to get started, we're going to need a few things. I've already opened my box to get you guys started for this video, so we're pretty safe to go from here. Here are the 3 buttons that I already did. And we're going to get started on creating our next one, which will be this one. Here's our front and here's our back. Here's our cutout template. And we're going to need some additional fabric of your choice. Of course, the one I'm using is leather because I'm putting it on a previous project that I did. You're also going to need to grab a heat gun if you're working with vinyl like I am. But if you're not, then that step is completely optional. So it's really up to you. So first things first is we're going to turn our vinyl onto the rough side and take our cutout template to create a point for us to get started with. You're also going to need a pen so you can start tracing around the template to get your cutout. I've traced mine already for you guys. So now next, you're also going to need a pair of scissors and you're just going to cut out your circle. Now if you're using vinyl, grab your heat gun and start to heat up the fabric. Literally probably only like 2 seconds. You want to just get it warm so the material will be able to stretch a little bit better. Probably going to cut out another piece because I don't like how that little thing is right there. So let's do another cutout. And if you actually have some fabric that actually ended up like mine's, it's okay. That's why you always have straps to use. Here's the cutout of the first fabric that I used. Now grab the little molder that comes inside of the kit and place your fabric right over top of it. Grab your button shell and add it on top of the fabric. Start to push down so your fabric will start going inside of your mold. Tuck your fabric inside of the mold, inside of the button, once that is completed. Grab your shank. Well, they call it a shank, but it's your back piece. And use it to cover your fabric. This is when the pusher starts to come in handy. Mine is a little beat up. Become a little better than this. Don't judge it. You're going to take that and put it on top. And then begin to just press down on it. I find it easier to press down with your fingers first. And then use your pusher. Once that's completed, take your pusher off, flip it over, press down on the mold to release the button. Boom! And there's our button, guys. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys actually learned something. You can actually head over to your local Joann store and check out their craft and cover button kit. You can actually use these buttons on chairs or even your pillows that may be at home at your house. So, well, obviously if I said home, it's at your house, but thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to check out my blog too at Fun Size Creations, and also check out my YouTube channel. And later for now, guys. And be sure to let me know down below in the comments if there are any other videos you guys would like to see. Remember to learn to love yourself before trying to love anyone else, guys. And I'm out.